kind of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
Gold digger and abusive.
Scammer.
Gold digger?
Would you date a foreigner?
Yes.
Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Hi! Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel, and again, this is Lorie. In today's video, we will ask Filipino women what kind of Filipinas should foreigners avoid. But before we get into the video, we would like to thank everyone for the 1 million views we just achieved on our channel. If it wasn't for you guys, it would not have been, possible. But again, thank you to everyone for being part of our huge milestone. What is your name?
Hello po, I'm Jelle Burak po.
Angel?
Jelle po.
Angel. That's a very unique name, Angel. Nice to meet you, Angel. How are you today?
Okay lang po.
You're okay. She's a happy person, and she has a very beautiful what do you call this? A smiling face. Angel, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
20 years old. And are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Wow, that's beautiful. Okay. You're studying, right? What course are you taking?
Business in administration po.
And what year are you now?
Third year.
One more year and you will graduate. Wow, you're good. Your family or your parents must be very proud of you. Okay. Here's the question. What kind of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
Feeling ko po, yung mga,
Okay lang Taglish, babe.
mga babae na, yung lalandi po na yung kahit may asawa na po sila, in here sa Philippines, nakikipag, date pa rin sila sa mga foreigner para lang po, para maperahan sila and para maperahan sila. And tapos po and also po yung as well po yung mga cheater na na mga Filipina din po. And hindi lang po kasi hindi lang po nangyayari yon sa mga boys, kundi pwede din pong maging cheater yung mga babae, pero mostly po talaga sa lalaki.
Oh. So, in her opinion, first is foreigners should avoid Filipinas saying that they're single, but in reality, they are not single, right? I would agree because there are what do you call this, like videos I've seen on social media that the foreigners thought that she's messaging or texting or having video call with someone that is single, but when he came here, he found out that that Filipina is married. So that's what she's trying to say, that avoid that kind of Filipina, because those kind of Filipina are only after the foreigners' money, right? Yeah. And second is avoid Filipinas that are cheaters, because not just men but also women, they're also cheaters, right?
Yes.
Would you date a foreigner?
For me po, yes.
Would you move abroad, or would you rather stay living in the Philippines with, let's say, your future husband?
For me po, I would like to stay here po in the Philippines.
What is your name?
Giselle Bacare.
Giselle. Nice to meet you, Giselle. And how are you today?
Good.
You're good. Wow. How old are you?
26.
26. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
You're single. How long have you been single?
Maybe 4 years.
That's long. 4 years. Okay, do you have kids or,
I have kids one.
One kid. So you're a single mom.
Yeah.
Okay, and what course are you taking?
Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Office Administration. And what year are you now?
Third year college.
Third year. So one more year and you will graduate,
Yeah.
right? Wow. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, here's my question. What kind of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
Use gold digger.
Gold digger. How would you know if someone is a gold digger?
Some of Filipina using money of foreigner like that.
Oh. So if the Filipina is using their money, she's a gold digger already.
Yeah, I think that.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's how, right? Okay. Anyway, would you date a foreigner?
Yes.
Yes. Aside from being gold digger, do you have any kind of Filipina? Do you know any kind of Filipina, like, they should avoid aside from gold digger?
I think she's liar like that.
Liar. Oh, that's good. I think everyone should avoid liars, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And then would you move abroad or would you rather stay living here in the Philippines with your, let's say, your future husband?
Maybe abroad.
Abroad.
Yeah.
Like what country?
Sweden or
Sweden.
US.
US. Wow, US. Okay. Are you tired of the Philippines? That's why you like to move abroad? She said yeah. We have here our old friend Francha. We interviewed her before. I don't know when was it, but it was like a long time ago. But anyway, how are you today, Francha?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, you're fine. Anyway, Francha, are you still single?
Yes, I'm single.
Still single. Okay. Francia, here is the question. What kind of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
I think foreigners should avoid Filipina is a gold digger and abusive,
Abusive. What kind of abusive?
like the way Filipina talk to foreigner.
Or treat them?
Yes,
I see. Yeah, because I've heard lots of things like that too. Like, Filipinos are not like physically like abusive, but there are some Filipinos that the way they treat their husbands or their partner, yeah. Okay, so that's why you said that, right?
yes.
Abusive. Um, how would you know if someone is a gold digger?
If Filipina is only want money of foreigner, not the love.
Not the love. Okay, let's say I am a foreigner and you are the Filipina. How can I say or how can I tell that you just wanted to be rich and you just wanted my money? How can I tell? Paano ko ba masasabi na gusto mo maging mayaman, gusto mo kang pera ko? Paano mo masasabi sa isang tao?
They want to buy all the things that they want.
They want to buy all the things they want. Okay. Not what they need, but what they want.
Yes.
What is your name?
Jessica Peliog.
Jessica, nice to meet you, Jessica. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good.
Yeah.
How old are you, Jessica?
26.
26. And you're still studying too, right?
Yeah.
What course are you taking?
First year.
First year
Um,
college.
Yeah, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Almost 2 years, I guess.
Years.
Yeah.
Are you looking for like a serious relationship right now?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, are you a single mom or you don't have kids like that?
I'm single mom.
How many kids do you have?
One, only one.
How old is your kid?
4 years old.
I see. Do you have like a part-time job to support your studies? No. So it's your parents, right? Okay. Your parents must love you so much. Okay. Anyway, here is the question, Jessica, right? Okay. What kind of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
I think it's scammer or poser, I guess.
Poser.
Yeah.
How can you say if someone is a scammer?
I think sometimes foreigner asks you to video call like that, and they says no later, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then ano pa ba?
Foreigner should think, right?
Yeah.
Like, oh, why this person doesn't want to show her face?
Yeah.
I saw a video from Rafi Tulfo. Do you know Rafi Tulfo?
Yes.
Yes. So I saw a video from Rafi Tulfo, and then the foreigner thought that she's talking to a Filipina, and then he didn't know that the Filipina she was talking to is a different person from the photo that she's using. So be careful, right?
Yes.
Okay. Would you date a foreigner?
Of course, yes.
Okay. And would you move abroad or would you rather stay living in the Philippines with your, let's say, future husband?
Yes.
And what?
I think it's Australia like that. Canada.
So why Canada? Like, why not Philippines?
A lot of Filipinos, sometimes they judgmental.
What is your name po?
My name is Carol.
Carol. Nice to meet you, Carol. And how are you today?
I'm great,
You're great.
and aside from that, I'm lack of sleep. Yes, I got out from work, from Pili, since I am a call center agent.
Oh,
Yes,
wow. So you're a call center agent. And how long have you been working, Ma'am Carol?
it's been 6 months.
6 months.
Getting sleep 4 hours. Yes,
Okay.
and my day has become night since after work I'll go ahead and sleep. Yeah.
Oh, but you don't look like you're sleepy.
Yes, because I'm a mom, so I need to you know prioritize my kids before I took sleep.
Oh, I see. So you're married, right?
Yeah.
How long have you been married?
It's been 2 years.
2 years. And how many kids?
3.
Three. Wow. So three kids. Okay, anyway, Mom Carol, here is the question. What kind of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
For me, it's like, yeah, a gold digger, because if you love someone, yeah, it doesn't matter how rich he is, and of course, unfaithful.
Unfaithful.
Yes.
Do you think Filipinas are gold diggers?
Um, not not all, but as far as I know, we Filipino want to, you know, to get, or want to um get a high standard living. So we want, because as a point of view of a Filipina, getting married of a American will um enhance your living. So
Okay, well, thank you so much, Mom. Salamat, Mom Carol.
thank you.
Yellow is creeping through, but it's easier to put it in my